This is a video demonstration on how to defrag hard drives. So the first thing I'm going to do is click the start menu and then go on to my computer, and there you can see my local disk C drive. I'm going to select it and then right click. Then I'm going to click properties, which is at the bottom. So this is a chart of showing how much memory you have stored, but to defrag I have to go to tools and then click underneath defragmentator, defrag now. And before defragmenting my hard drive, I have to analyze the C drive. So I'm going to select the C drive and then click analyze disk. So now the disk will be analyzed. So currently it is 99% that has been analyzed. I'm still waiting for the analyzation to be complete. But yeah, if you want your defragmentation to be automatically done, you can always click the configure schedule button where you can schedule the day and the time that you want your disk to be defragmented. So now it's been analyzed. So 2% has been fragmented. So now we're going to have to defragment the disk. So I'm going to click the defragment disk button. So the defragmentation has stages. So we have to wait till it's hit 100%. Then it will have passed the first stage of the defragmentation process. Then it will have to defrag the second part, because there was 2% that needed defragmented, that were defragmented, and we have to wait for 2 of them to be done. So the first part has been defragmented. Now the second part will be done. I would say that the benefit of defragmenting your hard drive is that it creates more space for you to store more files. it organizes all your files and then puts it into separate areas, separate sections, and then creates more room for new files to be stored. And then also your PC will run better, which I've heard. I've looked on the internet and that's what it said the benefits are. So the defragmentation process is halfway complete. So part 2 is being defragmented. So yeah, this is basically how to defragment a hard drive. I do hope you found this video very helpful. I do thank you for watching this video.